Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Emmy and we are Softrix. Today we are diving into an exciting case study where we show how Facebook ads can drive incredible results for hotels. If you are in the hospitality industry or looking to elevate your digital marketing efforts, then this case study is a must watch. So first thing first, that is the client background. Our client is a growing hotel chain offering both leisure and businesses accommodations across multiple locations. They wanted to increase the bookings and maximize their online presence, essentially during the peak travel periods using the Facebook ads with a focus on providing excellent guest experiences. Our client want a cost-effective strategy to attract high-quality leads and convert them into bookings. So now, in terms of the campaign objective, the goal was to generate high quality leads at an affordable cost while driving potential guests to book stays during high demand seasons and key travel times. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, first is the competitive market. The hotel industry is saturated with offers, making it essential to stand out with the targeted messaging and offers. The next is the budget constraint. The client required a cost-effective approach to generate a large number of qualified leads. The next is the seasonal demand. To maximize the booking, it was crucial to identify and capitalize on peak travel periods and the customer behavior patterns. In terms of the strategy, the first thing is the comprehensive audience analysis. We began by analyzing the target market's travel behaviors, interests, and the booking patterns. By examining the historical data, we pinpointed the time of the year, days of the week, and even the hours when the users were most likely to book hotels. This enabled us to create the ad schedules that aligns with the audience peak activity, ensuring the ads appeared when potential guests were most engaged. The next is the event creation and hyper targeting. To drive the urgency and encourage the immediate action, we designed event specific ads tied to regional events, holidays, and the local attractions. By combining Facebook geo targeting with the interest based targeting, for example business travelers and the vacationers, we were able to focus on people planning trips in high demand areas. This hyper targeting was crucial for delivering ads to the right audience at the right time. The next is the interest and the behavior based segmentation. We have segmented the audience by interest and the online behavior, focusing on individuals who had shown interest, such as frequent travelers, people searching for the vacation packages, or those who had recently visited travel websites. Custom audiences from the website traffic and the email subscriber were used to retarget the potential guests, while the lookalike audiences helped us to reach to the similar users. The next is the ad creatives and the offers. With the knowledge of key booking times, we have created compelling ads featuring the time limited offers, discounts, stays, and the exclusive packages. We have used the high quality images of the hotel properties, emphasizing comfort, amenities, and the convenience. Each of ad optimized with the clear call to action buttons such as book now or claim your offer, making it easy for users to take immediate action. The next is the A/B testing for the optimization. Throughout the campaign, we have conducted the A/B tests on various ad elements, including the headlines, images, the ad copy, and the call to action buttons. This allowed us to determine the highest converting combinations and scale up the most effective ads, driving higher conversion rate while lowering the overall cost per lead. Next is the ad scheduling for the maximum impact. So leveraging the insights from our audience analysis, we have implemented the precise ad scheduling to run the ads during peak engagement times such as the evenings and the weekend when potential customers were more likely to plan and book their trips. This strategy maximized the ad visibility and led to a significant increase in conversion conversions. The next is in terms of the results. We have around 214 high quality leads at the cost per lead is remarkably low, around $14.65 per lead. The next is a booking search. Our client experienced a significant rise in inquiries and bookings during the peak travel periods, directly attributable to the targeted campaign. The next is the engagement matrix. The ads achieved high engagement with a large number of users clicking through and interacting with the hotel offers during peak booking times. So now in terms of the conclusion, by utilizing the detailed audience analysis, precision targeting and strategic ad scheduling, we have successfully generated 214 leads for the hotel chain at a minimal cost. This case study highlights the importance of data-driven decisions, event-specific targeting, and continuous optimization in driving the superior campaign performance. The result was not only increase the leads but also a boost in the booking, making the campaign resounding success. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.